right. Uh, Hold on before I get into this shit. I'm taking a hit of my pen. Mm-mm-mm. All right. So it's pretty obvious we're bullish on a higher time frame. We've been for a while. Exactly what's going on is what I kind of anticipated for the week because last week or whatever, yeah, last week everybody was losing their fucking minds because the market was what they believed was collapsing, but all I knew was just the sweep of liquidity. Accumulated, manipulated, distributed into this key level, saw SMT, CRT, and then a change in state of delivery. So this right here is what I'm paying attention to. We're coming up here. So you're just looking for the lowest point. So today, what do we see? Well, we're about to see a 4-hour fair value gap close. 4-hour bullish order block close in 35 minutes. So at 10 o'clock. So at 10 o'clock is probably 10 o'clock would probably be more probable for us to trade, considering it's a new 4-hour candle. And then hold on. So open turtle soup, SMT, and then we saw a displacement higher. So it's clear that institutions. So the objective for today, you are only going long. You are literally only going long. We are only looking for longs. There is nothing else I care for. I'm only looking for longs. Always remember, whatever institution. So in your immaturity, you will want to, you know, trade this. You'll want to place a trade. If you don't see anything to go long, you'll want to place something because you think we're going down lower to grab something or whatever. That is stupid. That couldn't be stupider. Always get in sync with price. It's 9:25. Market's about to open right now. There's that one indicator that I do want. I'm not gonna lie. I thought I didn't want it because I was like, that's gay. But it's actually really dope. Hold on. I'm still bullish, obviously. But accumulated. I think that we're just gonna fucking displace down here super easily. I'm not even gonna cap. I think today's gonna be easy money. Only interested in going long. It might bring us even back. We want to get as low as we can to opening day price. The lowest that we can get to opening day price would literally be if we were to like come down here, but the probability of that I don't know, because this is a buy side imbalance. I think the lowest we come is maybe filling this up, or not filling this up, but coming to the halfway point here. I'm gonna I realized yesterday I was like, I'm gonna start making educational videos, but of the more advanced shit, and best believe that I have price signatures and concepts that nobody talks about. Obviously, no, CRT is literally the peak. CRT is 100 the peak of trading. There is no higher than that. That is the truth. Like, you want to find there is $1 million sequence though. See, everybody is going crazy over CRT, but in reality, s- there is $1 million sequence, and that sequence, I have figured it out. This sequence is seen throughout. It does not matter if it's a chart, you see it. This sequence is the beginning and end of every single trend. Yes, it's turtle soup, but the thing is, people don't know where. The average trader does not know when the top is in and when the bottom is in. This sequence even gives the ability to retail. This sequence, this sequence does not fail. This sequence does not fail. This sequence, I've never seen nobody talk about it, and say it the way that I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna hold off on it. I will definitely be releasing that, but not yet. But I will also be going over other educational content and also be talking about um other things that nobody does talk about as well. I'm not gonna sit here and make a model for people who don't know what they're doing. I'm just going to assist you. I think making those models and shit is just being cheap out for people. Accumulation, manipulation. No. See, okay, let's talk about what I just did. I believe that this is SMT, and this is gonna give us the opportunity to go lower before we go higher. Why the fuck would I do that? The day that I got upset at myself and broke my rules was literally because I did some dumb shit like that. I went short when the day was long. Even if this is, what's it called, correct, doesn't matter. You don't do that. This shit could 100% go down right now. And also, anticipating SMT is, that is one of the things that is tricky for me. Like how to know when SMT happens. I do think that this is SMT. Remember, you always observe a trade. We haven't seen shit. All we're seeing is something potential. You always are paying attention whenever you see accumulation, manipulation, distribution. See, look, it wasn't SMT. Took the highs on the Nasdaq as well. Always paying attention when you see accumulation, manipulation, distribution. We tapped into the swing point. It is also 9:30. Dumb money is being shown that we're going higher. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I love CRT, bro. Okay, so the immature trader might say, but you were right, and you could have went down and placed your stop up here. Wrong. It doesn't matter if I could take advantage of that trade. I'm cool off that. I don't need that. because that's a bad habit. It's a poor habit. Why are you going out of sync with the market makers? And also, that could well maybe, who knows? Honestly, genuinely, I genuinely like because this is accumulation. It could be seeing manipulation, but the thing is, I think we are seeing manipulation into this key level. I think that this is gonna be a CRT. When it comes to CRT, you're always paying attention to the candle that's purging the liquidity. We already saw CRT up here. I only give a fuck about the 5 minute time frame and the 15-minute time frame. For me personally, anything lower than that is too deceiving. I don't even know if anyone's in here. Let me see. Is anybody watching? No. Where are my glasses? I left them down here. You really just have to wait, bro. Don't let the impatience get to you. Sometimes you just want to place a trade just to place a trade, but that's retarded. Like it makes no sense to do that. Like I'm telling you, trades. People will say like, "How'd you catch that?" Or "How were you able to see that?" Bro, you literally observe it. Like you wait for it. Like all you like the a very powerful thing to focus on would just be um placing trades at liquidity pools or inefficiencies. That will automatically boost your accuracy. Because when you trade liquidity pools and inefficiencies, you are going to be experiencing the least amount of drawdown. For example, let's say I traded this liquidity right here. I literally would have experienced only 2.5 a handle drawdown. And if I knew what's it called? Nah, I wouldn't place my stop there, but it'd probably be a specific set amount. But look, or I could have placed the trade. Oh no, this was at the inefficiency. Yeah, this was at the inefficiency. Placed the trade. You knew that this candle probably wasn't gonna get violated because it's a breakaway. Leave it there, bro. I wouldn't be able to anticipate this level of move, but you know, We're in this liquidity. I mean, in this SIBI that then we're gonna inverse. Okay, I think this is gonna be CRT. Traded down to 50%, 38 to 33. Fucking five handles, dude. CRT is so crazy. Accumulation, manipulation. My executions are turned on. All right, 940 is about to come in. 940 to 950 always gives you a nice little opportunity to do something. Always remember from, I guess my rant videos, my reflection videos, that you have two opportunities every single day. You have the open, low in this case, high, close, and open, high, low, close. You have you have many opportunities throughout the day. We honestly might just continue moving up. This might be a breakaway. No, this can't be 940. This is 940. And 10 o'clock, we have right here. Peep out once 940 comes, we already start moving in a different direction. Peep that. And this was CRT. The 5 minute fair value gap. But in reality, we're most likely gonna come down here. So I'm anticipating for us to see either a SMT or just a rate of liquidity. 1 hour. This could be a CRT. This is hard as fuck. Yeah, this was definitely the top. Okay, you just filled this inefficiency. So remember, if we took the trade from 55.38, we'd be up like 10 handles, or no, 12 handles we saw. But again, that's not the point. The point is you can be aware of certain things happening and still not take action because it is not in sync with what you believe. Because the thing is, let's say I believe that we're bullish and then I start taking the short and now I'm fixated on shorts. Bruh, nah. Then you have tunnel vision. And that's where you have to have a higher self of sense of awareness because again, to the immature mind, you'll be so fixated on trying to make a trade. So now your emotions are involved because this is like a big moment for you. If you're getting this hyped up, that's clearly a big moment for you. It's like if you're getting pussy for the first time, or if you bought a bag a bad bitch, or whatever the fuck. It's just a big moment. You have to be self-aware, dude. I have reprogrammed my subconscious mind and my what's it called? What the fuck is it called? Reticular activating system to pick up my emotions immediately. The moment I feel something, I immediately just become hyper self-aware. All right, so we're seeing some resistance. Let's see how it treats this fair value gap. Remember, price is always a story. This is a story. Always paying attention to what happened. Like, yes, I'm bullish, but let's see if we continue to see context that supports that idea. So let's observe what we've already seen. Accumulated, manipulated, CRT. There's no SMT, so I'm not going to anticipate a change in state of delivery. Which wouldn't make sense because why? Because we're bullish. Why would the market want to change its state of delivery now when we're coming up here? Oh, excuse me. Let me take a. What level is it? 5601. Okay, so haven't we tapped this liquidity? I anticipate this liquidity to be the one that we tap into. We didn't close above, we only closed higher. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, I think this is a good opportunity to go long. That was the entry. The perfect entry was actually right here. Damn, we could take a little. Let me see. Damn, that could have been the entry. I'm not gonna lie. Let me see. Nah, cause hold on. Nah, this would be CRT then. Damn, so you see CRT occur on a fractal. CRT high, CRT low. Saw CRT right here. I remember seeing CRT on the higher time frame here. I mean, this kind of got violated. This does look like it's going down though. Just lower. From 31 to 23. My input, I want to put my trade in right here. Let's see where we get. Okay, so what we're specifically gonna wait for is gonna be the candle that purges this liquidity. Once that candle closes, I'm paying attention to that candle's low. Now you may ask why? Because well, that's also in the case that we don't close. Like we have to close below this fair value gap. This has to fail. This song is so goated. Somebody. Took this liquidity and came down. Create another bearish order block. Came down. Create another bearish order. When you see bearish order block after bearish order block, it doesn't matter how fucking slow it is moving. Whatever the opposing side of liquidity is, it wants, it's gonna come get. It's gonna get this liquidity and then continue moving down. We're gonna come violate this. This is gonna get violated, but this is going to. It's 950, about to be 950. It's gonna be safe. If this does get violated, this will be safe. Hold on, what the fuck? We might see turtle soup. Let's say I do go long here. Honestly, with them, we could see, dude. Today we could literally see like this pop up all the way up here. It's not absurd. Bro, we can come 950. Those candles are not closing. I think that really is. We could place one long here. Because it really doesn't seem like we could place on a down close. Fuck it. I'm placing it now because 940 to 950 does provide you an opportunity. 20 handles, valid. So look, this is what I'm willing to do today. Lose $200, but in reality, and also 2 execution marks. So that means we're playing with 1 contract. Ugh. Let's see what goes on. I'm only gonna stay on the 5-minute, bro. Every other time frame is fucking gay. So we came here, failed to inverse this inefficiency. The turtle soup already happened here, and today we're most likely gonna see a low resistance liquidity run. I'm willing to put the fuck. Nah. I wasn't gonna say I'm willing to put the second contract, but let me see some more confirmation. Like I'll place it once we, do some other shit. Oh shit. I get stopped out. Always let price pull your trade, even if you are wrong. You never really know if you can get lucky. The right stop loss. Okay, so that's one of our trades for the day. Okay, let's not fuck this up because we know we're bullish. Fuck it, bro. I think that we're gonna come down here still, bro, to take this liquidity and then move. If we don't, then fuck. I was just wrong. I just got stopped out. I think I might have just gotten stopped out to get stopped out. Let's just wait till 10 o'clock. I'm about to play chess. want to play this super smart. I really did want to place the second trade right there, but bro, I think this is gonna be a bullish. Fuck. What? What? Why do I believe it's gonna be a bullish order block? Do you? But you haven't seen a bullish order block. So what the fuck? I'm not even gonna lie. The FOMO was 100%. Wow. But yes, this is what I'm saying. It's like FOMO's stupid as fuck to have if you know what we should see, but you don't see anything. So there is nothing. There is nothing at this current moment. What you're not rebalancing an inefficiency or purging liquidity. You've already purged the liquidity, and you're not rebalancing an inefficiency anymore. So you're literally ranging. These are the type of things I'm saying. So like if I didn't open up my mouth, or if I didn't, or if I was just focused on trying to find an entry, I'm not saying these things or reminding these things of myself. You're already like, if you wanted to be in a trade, you'd be fine if you placed it right here. Most likely it's gonna continue moving higher, but in a very slow manner. See, that was the trade. Bro, fuck it. Fuck. Hold on. Nah, hold on. Let's wait. I'm really anticipating this bullish shorter block, but I gotta chill. Even if this is correct, doesn't matter. 5, 15. I'm just gonna stay on the 15. I want to see this bullish order block close. Because that means that this is just gonna be a breakaway gap. This shit is gonna pop today. I just don't want to knock myself out before I get the opportunity. This is accumulating even more. Accumulated, manipulated, distributed down here. But we could just be ranging right now. Nasdaq is ripping. The Nasdaq is fucking ripping. Bro, my fucking heavy hand. Because we reacted so well, I don't know if we're gonna come and get this. I really don't. It's about to be 10 o'clock. Something's gonna happen at 10 o'clock. Oh, we just purged the liquidity. I'm gonna wait. Because see a deep retracement into it. There's a volume imbalance right here on the 5. Bro, I want to do some dangerous shit. See, look, if I place those 2 contracts right there, my goofy ass would already been in the red. That's just a lesson for all of you. Stop trying to anticipate shit before it happens. And look, and you also, even if we were coming up here, you were trying to say that it was gonna be automatically a bullish order block. Not true. Swept this liquidity. If we do not see a candle close above this, it's gonna be interesting times. It might create the bullish order block though. If it does, then the 15-minute, like, oh, this shit's gonna be a breakaway gap. Wednesday we didn't expand, so Thursday I anticipate us to expand today. We didn't close higher. We are just manipulating higher though. Dude, it's gonna be a low resistance liquidity run. These are painful as fuck, bro. Purge liquidity. My CCRT right now. CRT high. 10-minute. Stop. Now we're not purging any liquidity. This is not CRT. Since this isn't a bullish order block, for me, this is still leaving this open. One. It's not obvious to me. If we go up, we go up, but things are just not obvious to me. We're most likely we're gonna come up here. I just don't know if it's gonna be a low resistance, and if it is, then I just missed out. I literally got stopped out right where it stopped, bro. Life is funny. I'd be up 10 handles already. $10.01. 10 to 11 will be the expansion. We're continuing to move higher. This was the inefficiency. The best trade was right there. Now we gotta think about the second best trade. It's 10:03. 1, 2, could be 3 drives. For us to come back down here. That'd be sweet. Oh, that was a CRT low. Accumulation. Manipulating into this level. I think we're gonna see SMT because unless Nasdaq comes down here and crashes down here, which would be 100 points, I don't know if I see that. Excuse me. It's always a matter of time, baby. Okay. Okay, wait, hold on. So look, what might actually happen is we tap into this. Oh, actually, well, no, that's the CRT low, but this is the swing low. Mm. Nasdaq might come and take these lows, but not these lows. Someone's gonna leave one of the lows open. Hey. All right. So the reason why I'm waiting is because it is 10:06. Number one. Hold on. If this is the opening price, we'd be getting below opening price. Open, low. Honestly, bro, if I have to be, if let's say I take a trade and I get stopped out, I mean I would have to wait till tomorrow. I'm literally gonna wait until something is just blatantly obvious. So 1, 2, 3. If this is correct and this is a real 3 drives pattern, bro, dude, it's gonna come down here. Accumulation, manipulation. I'm gonna input my trade here. Long position. Part of me wants to put 2 contracts, but if I'm gonna get 30 handles, that's literally makes no sense. Why would I want to even do that? All right, so we're anticipating SMT to happen here. We're bullish and we're gonna go below the opening candle. It is 10:08. So institutions are going to provide themselves with the opportunity to get in sync with price. Let's look at here and here. This next 5-minute candle is going to be pretty revealing. You can try right here. I want to see where this 15-minute candle closes. If you feel pain waiting, sink into it. Like, just submit to the fact that, you know what, I already see myself. I'm not gonna press a button until I see 10:15 on my clock. I think we're gonna come down here. This would probably be. This is where I think we're gonna come down. Ready this liquidity. It's 10:10. Actually, it could have been it. 26. Fuck it. I'm breaking my rule by placing it on an up close candle. But I think it's. It should have been down here. That's such a big fuck up. Bro, it's literally like 5 candles. I'd already be up like fucking $120 right now. I want to see this become inversed. Let price stop you out. Never pull the trade. And if we do get stopped out, then the next input liquidity would be right here. It just sucks that we blew one of the trades. I'm really only interested in using $200 today. Nothing more. If we're wrong, we're wrong. I should have just placed a limit order, bro. I'm so fucking pussy for that. The right place during trade placement was literally right here, bro. So then I can put my stop loss back down here. Fucking gay, bro. Let me see on the 15-minute time frame. I'm not gonna close the trade. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. But dude, that's my fucking fault, bro. I'm so gay for that. I'm not adding a second contract. I do think that the SMT will be. This gets turtle soup, then this doesn't. Indicating a change in state of delivery. I want to place like another second. I want to place a second contract right here. If we see a bullish turtle block, I'll place a second contract. Touching into this liquidity. Okay, what now? See, bro? That was the fucking dude. I'll be up like $400. I'll be up like $400 fucking dollars if I just placed it at the right liquidity point. But since I'm a fucking bucket, Okay, so it looks like all of this was completed. Took this liquidity. Now we see inverse fair value gap and then a rate of this liquidity. But we want to see candles close, baby. This is also a price signature that I'll actually place another contract only because if I see this price signature, um so whenever you look, this is gonna be some game because nobody's fucking watching this stream. So anybody who does watch this stream is deserving of this. So when price comes down and purges liquidity, these are what I call purging techniques. There will be three different types of purging techniques: a swing order block, or what I call a final order block, which is where we purge this candle's low and then just move up. Bro, you will see a low resistance liquidity run after you do that. So when this candle closes, the down close candle, I'll place another contract right there. I don't know what the fuck this is. So this is what I call a final order block. We took this and now we anticipate to see this get ran. Honestly, bro, today I'm gonna go for my full TP. I want the 1500. I mean, if the market gives it to me. Yes. Oh yeah. Risk management. This is a 4R. I'm not pushing out of this trade. I'm gonna let price move and I'm gonna give it breathing room. I expect to see a low resistance liquidity run on this drawing liquidity. This right here, 50, 55.44, 55.44, 55.44 from 55.33. Wait, what the fuck? That's 11 handle. That's 12 handles. I'm just gonna leave my stop here. I don't believe that this will get rated. We will lose big though if this doesn't pan out. But I waited for my liquidity, bro. At this point, we just let price run. Set and forget, baby. 10 to 11 will be your expansion window. We did a great job getting in sync with higher time frame buys. We could have done a way better job with price entry, but that aside, everything does look good. And then some of you are gonna be like, "Oh, why are you not respecting this bearish order block?" Listen, on a higher time frame, everything on a higher time frame matters more. Lower time frame, nothing means shit. On a lower time frame, if you see any bearish PD arrays, that does not mean shit. On a higher time frame, we will be bullish. We took liquidity, failed to displace, then created a bullish order block, or and in my case, final order block, and then this is all I needed to see. And also the fact that we haven't taken this liquidity and created that bullish PD array being the order block and it also being a final order block for me, um, I'm more bullish because that's SMT. So now it's just a matter of waiting. If we get stopped out, this is a quality loss. I'm 100% willing to get behind that. Remember, if price is not purging liquidity or rebalancing an inefficiency, it is ranging. So accumulated and manipulated down into that liquidity. Let's see us distribute higher. It might either be here for a while or not. Who knows? This is nice. Mm. 11 minutes left for this 15-minute candle. And also 10:30 is always a time to watch. I'm not gonna automatic. I want this to be an inverse value gap. I'm not what's it called fixated on this outcome. I have seen what I wanted to see so far. And we came below this opening price for the 4-hour candle. That was also another thing why I placed the trade. Remember, every candle has an open, low, high, close. Fractality is a very big, important thing. If we see this candle, this 5 minute candle close above this fair value gap, this inverse fair value gap is most likely going to come to fruition. Dude, I want to run that song back. That shit was hard. I thought I added it. Yo, what the fuck? Add to playlist, gang. Yo, it didn't add like 2 songs then. Yo, these motherfuckers, bro. All right, so 412, the money doesn't matter. We close outside. Remember, this number does not mean shit because it's this going up here affects this. This does not affect this coming up here. So we closed above this candle. I just want to see us continue moving higher now. If this is 500 here, this risk to reward is fucking stupid. I want this shit to go up here, honestly. I want to see this to 1500. Always be patient. On a 15-minute candle, we're still seeing we're fine on a 15-minute candle. It's 10:20. Hold on. Honestly, bro, I think I'm good at break even now. There's no point in taking a loss on this. I'm not taking a loss on this. Not to say like I'm in a cocky way. I'm saying I'm not what they're called going to. What? Huh? Okay. Couldn't have texted me that. Come on, bruh. Patience. 10:30 will always see something happen. 10:30. 10:30 scares me honestly. I call it a tide shift. Listen, even if this trade doesn't pan out, I'll still what's it called? I'm fine because I'm gonna leave it at break even. If we get stopped out, we get fucking stopped out. I'd rather that than a loss. Now the stress is kind of gone. Only thing that's annoying about break even trades is that you you wait. We tapped into the inverse fair value gap but failed to displace lower. This next 5 minute candle is gonna be very, very revealing. Oh wait, can I just do this? Oh, I'm slow. I'm like, fuck. I'm not gonna be able to see the number. It's having a very hard time moving up higher. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. 10:30 is about to hit. 10:30 is about to hit. Bro, my clock in real life, my IRL clock is off. I'm gonna honestly, I'm gonna take a little money so I don't take a full loss. Uh, 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 uh. I got 2 views, but no concurrent viewership. 2 people came in. Dun, 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 my God. And this is why risk management is the final beast to fucking slay. Because imagine I was tapped out. Imagine I had placed a trade prematurely before this shit happened. That's why placing your trades at inefficiencies of liquidity pools is the best thing. Notice we came down here and they didn't break down lower. And then because of my knowledge and me knowing what the fuck I'm doing, I was able to see, okay, this is a final order block. So we took this candle's low, purged this at the same time, and then displaced higher and made an order block. So I would have already placed my first trade down here, but I was too pussy. I literally called it and still didn't do it. And then I saw this and I was like, okay, bet we're good. I think that on a higher time frame, on the 1 hour, or I mean on the 15 minute, we're gonna create a bullish order block. And if that's the case, we're just gonna expand higher. I have no idea how high this bullish order block is gonna go. It should be a change in state of delivery too. We should just pop out of this range like a fucking cherry. It's about to be 10:30. I'm about to take profits real soon. You have to grow to be able to just see this certain things and just come to certain understandings. I think it's gonna be a very low resistance liquidity run. We're gonna go higher really easily. But I'd probably be at like 12 or 1300 bucks right now if I placed it where I should have placed it. But it's not about the money. Excuse me. Okay, we're gonna have to close the trade soon. Let it punch through. I want to see this 15-minute candle close above it. If it doesn't, that's fine. I think I'm just gonna take the 1,000. Fuck it. All right. Good job. Okay. We're at 51.5. We don't have to stop. We could risk another $200 and start over again today. All right, so we just purged this liquidity and also didn't create a bullish order block. So that kind of, you know what I'm saying? I don't like that. This does give me like accumulation vibes. So we're up, I think 800 for the day. Let's talk. Let me put a better song on. I like this one. This shit was hard. Damn, bro, I was really at 51,800. Yo, risk management is so fire. Let me see something. What is the lowest point that I believe that we can go to? I think maybe rebalancing like this inefficiency. I love how I called everything to the T, by the way. Retail traders cannot do that, bro. Majority fucking like these fake ass motherfuckers cannot just do what I did. YouTube is not recording. Oh, what do you mean? Enough video to maintain smooth connection. Is that what it is? What's wrong, bruh? Let me see. The YouTubes. Mm, 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 mm. I'm live. I don't get it. It says I'm pretty good, so I think I'm good. This shit is creating a 15-minute for value. I mean, inverse for value gap. I mean, what am I saying? A 15-minute volume imbalance. What the fuck? Do volume imbalances on volume imbalances. This is crazy. Bro, I'm such a bucket. I cannot believe I literally said it was gonna come here. Yo, that aggravates me. Yes, I made fucking 962 bucks, but who cares? It's about performing. I don't know if we're gonna see anything else that I like because this shit is acting stupid. It's we purged liquidity. Did it come and get it again? No. I think this is gonna be a dreadful liquidity run. We'll come down here. I'm pretty positive I'm done for the day though. Yeah, 2 execution marks max. Or maybe I could put like a rule in case I am up for the day. I don't know. I don't even know, bro. If I want to trade anymore. We did a great job today, bro. Oh my god, we did a great job. Mm-mm-mm. Being able to battle dude, to see this like this type of outcome after addressing that risk management is my number one problem, and then doing things to directly combat it. It's, bro, this is power. Risk management. I remember Romeo said that shit. He was like, risk management is the one thing that you must conquer in order to be profitable. Buddy was not lying. Yo, I'm hungry as shit. I ain't gonna lie to ya. I think we continue moving higher. It's gonna be a low resistance liquidity run. I'm not interested in placing the trade, but placing a trade now here would be so stupid. Best trade, second best trade would be down here. So let all of this run. I mean, if it comes up here and doesn't give you the opportunity, so fucking be it. But yeah. All right. Pretty positive I'm done for the day. Um, good day, good day. Yeah, I'm happy. So on that note, goodbye everybody.